Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel on my shady world. In this video, I will show you how you can set your background image and have such visual representation in such a way that your charts being look in front, but in the back you have your background image. So as you can see, I have worked on one Uber-based stock data analysis, and in that I have created such candlelight chart, and in the background I have set one world map. So how we can do this? So let's start this. So here in my Tableau desktop, what I have did is I have already created one candlelight chart. If you want to learn how you can create, please go on my Tableau playlist based on the charts. You will find this candlelight chart, and a very for your reference, I have already been added in the description box as well, so you can go and refer from there and understand how to create a candlelight chart. But as for today's agenda, we have to set an image in the background. So for this, um, let's go to the dashboard. And in the dashboard, now I want to set an image. For that, you have to first and make sure this is not in floating. It should be in the tilt. And then within the objects, there is an image. So double click on that, insert that image. But to insert that image, you have to choose those images which are there in your, or you have to find out which are the image you want to set. For all set up anything, it's up to you how you want to be more creative. So in this case I want to set a white background, so I want something in a very gray in color or very dull in color, so it won't impact over on my analysis that the chart, because the whole this thing is not just a visual look and feel, but it's also important to have your exact charts to be displayed properly to the user. So for that, choosing this, I have already downloaded, but you can also download this. Let's say search on some world map transparent. So you can have n number of options in the way you want to make your background image look cool and decent and how you want. So I have choose something which is very dull in color so that it enhance my whole chart more appealing. So this is how. So let's create that because I've already imported. So I will choose from my device and I'll select this. And now I'll fit that image and center image. The checklist, the options has to be clicked and checked, and now apply. Okay. So this is how your whole image, background image has been set up. Now to add this chart on the top, I will click on the chart, but as you can see, it's in tilt. In this case, I don't want in a tilt. I want to set up something in a floating so I can adjust. But if you don't want, then also you can go in the tilt and just hit on. No, you cannot, because in tilt, whenever it either take you a horizontal or a vertical. Let's see this. If we go with this, it will take either horizontal or vertical. We don't want such thing, right? So we want to add just on the top. So for that, go on floating, select this here, and just enlarge the image and adjust your whole chart here. And now remove this from the dashboard as I don't want. This is how it looks. Now you can see the image has been completely overlapped with this chart which we have put on the top. So for that, just right click anywhere here in this whole chart and go to the format, and here you can see the color. So go to this color, and in that default there is a sheet. Within the sheet there is worksheet, and from there just select none. Right now it's white in color. I will go in none, and once you do, it will, the color has been just completely removed, and the background image will be set as in as we want. So this is how you can set your whole chart over at the top of the background. But as you can, I don't want this as well. It's right now it's does not look good, so I'll go and right click over to that axis and make it disable the show header. Once you do, you will simply have this image. So this is how you can set up your any of your charts, whichever you work, but this is how you can set your background image, and on the top you can set your graphs. I hope you like this video. If you really like, then do like, share, and subscribe to my channel.